This is at the residences at 668. These custom indicators. These are, I think, gables. It's got the cowbell too. Edmonds. Edmonds elevator. To 5. That sounded odd. Let's get the bell. Neat. Down to 1. Got the creaky GAL door operator. .668 Euclid. It's probably actually a newer model, maybe like 2000s? I'd say this is 2000s. These are kind of slow for, oh, that's a camera. That is a weird looking camera. I thought that was like an air freshener or something. Oh no, that's what that is. Edmonds elevator. Anyway, let's watch that outside indicator. I don't even know if this one works, we'll see. Oh, stop. Anyway, that's it.